For me, I grew up working with my dad in the garage, working on cars and motorcycles. And that was my dad's background. He was a missile mechanic in the Air Force. And I just, I was his right-hand man. I was the kid holding the flashlight, getting yelled at. And it stuck with me. I basically spent a month of my summer coming in here and just renovated the place. Cleaned it and kind of like did a layout of how I wanted it to look. I come from the industry, so I wanted to kind of model this of what an actual repair shop or dealership shop would look like. I did some Photoshop and did some funky colors and some stripes on the walls and kind of did a layout of how I wanted all the equipment and submitted that to our coordinator. They came in here and I got all new equipment, all new lighting. They painted the whole entire shop for me. So it was a whole fresh start.
He understands the value of the curriculum that he teaches. He understands he's not necessarily just teaching mechanics of the future. He's able to really understand how important that is and give all kids the opportunity to learn how their automobile works.
Bob's curriculum is designed with more advanced skills and the industry certifications. So a student can leave high school with all these advanced skills and several industry certifications. They can go right into a job and get a higher level income.
My students are earning certifications. I have a wide variety of students in my class. I have engineering students and honor students. I have 26 girls in my program, which is 21% of my students are female. I wanted it to be something that's going to be successful and open to everyone, and I feel that I've reached that goal.
Probably like 4 years ago, I couldn't even imagine myself being able to do an oil change. And now it's the easiest thing in the world for me, and now I'm just thinking on to bigger things, bigger pictures of what I can probably do working on cars.
Because there's a lot of places around that don't do it anymore, and he's trying to do everything he can to take care of the people that want to get into it.
It's something they can put on their resume, so they can go apply for a job. It doesn't matter what it is, in the industry or out of the industry. So it's not just a class they just show up every day, do the homework, and go home. These are actual industry-recognized certifications that they're earning, that shows their dedication, their commitment to the program, and it makes them more marketable for a career.
Yeah, I definitely do feel like I have a lot more experience. I definitely feel more confident in going into a field compared to someone who would have no experience at all.
He had a good connection with a local tire shop. We were actually able to go get a job while we were still in this class based on his connection.
He deserves this award because he's always there for his students. He provides a safe place. He doesn't discriminate, he doesn't judge you. He accepts everyone with a different background, whether they have experience in the automobile industry or no experience at all.
I didn't expect this. I didn't get into education to be, the best. I wanted to come in here and build a program for kids to get into the industry and to experience what I experienced, but to also bring attention to the CTE programs. And we need to do whatever we can to make sure that these programs stay to prepare our kids for their futures.